Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
All good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Please tell, have you ever visited any cloth shop?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then please tell, in a cloth shop, there are so many types of material. Is there a similar or different type?
Different type, ma'am. Different type, ma'am.
Okay. Then please tell which type of cloth material you prefer to wear.
Cotton type, ma'am. Cotton type, ma'am.
You are also cotton type. Okay. You tell cotton type. Okay. So this cotton type of material, do you know? We call it as what? This cotton type material, we call it as, do you know?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, today we are going to discuss about what? Fabrics. Fiber to fabric. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then see, I have different type of materials. Okay, these are different type of materials, and I will give you. Then you just touch and feel it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes. Take it. Yes. Then touch each and every material. Do you find any difference?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell what are the difference? This is raw and this type of material is
Soft. Soft.
okay.
Smooth, ma'am.
Okay, good. This is smooth and this is a little rough. Okay. So these materials are called fabrics. These are cloth materials. These are called fabrics.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
First we see what is fabric. We see fabric. Okay. Then you select any type of fabric. I have selected this. You can select anything.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Do it fast. Then try to lose one thread. See, there are so many threads which collectively make a fabric. This is total of fabric, and see, this total is collectively done by the so many threads. Okay. Then try to lose one thread from the fabric. Try to lose by hand. See, this is a thread.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done it? Done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then this small thread, the threads which collectively make a fabric is known as yarn. What? Yarn. Okay. This is a thread in fabric. This is collectively make a fabric. Okay. These are threads. Then see, the thread which you have loosed with your left hand and then scratch it with your right hand. Scratch it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Do it fast. What you see? There is any difference?
Difference, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, see. There are so many thinner strands. Thin strands. Okay. Look. You also see while a thread through the eye of the needle, then you face certain difficulties. Yes or not?
Yes.
Why? Because this is a thread, and sometimes while passing it through the eye of the needle, this is needle, this is the eye, okay, and the thread becomes like this. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Here you face difficulty.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These thin strands, these are our thin strands. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
These
ma'am.
thin strands are called fibers. What? Fibers. First see, we see the cloth material, that is known as fabric. Then we see, then we lose a thread from the fabric, that is called as yarn.
Yeah.
Then we see the from the thread we scratch it. Okay.
Yes,
Then we find thin strands. What we get? We get what? This is
Yes.
Fabrics, ma'am.
fabrics. Okay, good. Very good. See. Let's generalize it. We will see in the short form.
Fabric.
Fabric. Yes, good. This is fabric. This total is made up of yarn. Okay. Yarns are
Okay, ma'am.
what? Threads. Loose threads. Loose thread. Okay. Then yarns are made up of fibers. You see the thin strands?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fibers are the thin strands. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the process by which a fabric is made up of. Are you getting my points?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, these fibers are divided into two parts. Okay. Fibers. Fibers are again divided into two parts. How? One is natural fiber and second one is synthetic fiber. Okay. What do you understand by natural or nature? Nature means nature.
Yes.
What do you understand by nature? Our surrounding, the plants,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
animals, these are comes under nature or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, the fibers which are derived from any plant or animal, they are called natural fiber. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
natural fiber. These are derived from plant and animals. Yes, good. Note down. Then synthetic fiber. Synthetic means these are prepared in plants or labs. Okay. These are made up from chemical substances.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good. You are listening well. Then see the example of natural fiber. What are the example of natural fiber? Like we use cotton type of dress, and in winter season we use wool. Good, very good. Cotton, wool, and then silk. Yes, very good. Silk. Not synthetic. It is silk. It is silk. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And jute. See, jute. Jute ropes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then synthetic fiber. The examples of synthetic fibers are terracotta.
Terracotta. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good. Terracotta, acrylic.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Then polyester. Okay, these are the example of synthetic fiber. Then see the cotton and jute. These two are derived from plant. Cotton is a cotton plant, and jute is a jute plant,
Yes, ma'am.
and wool and silk are our animal products. That means from animal we get wool and silk. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then we will discuss about only the fibers that are derived from the plants. That
Yes,
means
ma'am.
about cotton and jute. Okay, first we discuss about cotton.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I have cotton. See, this is a piece of cotton. Touch it and feel it. Yes. Separate it. Yes, good. See, this is a cotton and I am separating it. What you see? These are small, thin threads. Yes or not?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
This whole is the cotton, but it combined of this the thin strands. These
Yes,
are
ma'am.
the thin strands. Okay. Cotton is derived from cotton plant. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And these cotton plants are grown where there is warm weather and black soil. Where there is warm weather and black soil.
Black soil.
Black soil must be needed. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then see the cotton fibers. When the cotton plant have the fruits, and these fruits are known as cotton
Plant.
balls. Okay, fruits are known as cotton balls. When the balls burst out, that means a fruit is like a closed shape, and it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
burst out. That means it opens up. Okay, open up.
Open.
Then when the cotton balls burst out, then we find the seeds of cotton covered with what? Cotton fibers.
Cotton plant.
Okay. That means this is a cotton ball.
Cotton
Okay.
ball.
Imagine. Then it is burst out like this. And here are the seeds. And the cotton fibers are like this. On the seeds of the cotton balls. Okay.
Yes,
This is the cotton fiber.
Cotton plant.
Yes, good. Then we need only cotton fiber. We don't need the seeds of cotton balls.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then these are the seeds. Okay. And these are the cotton. When we separate the cotton fibers from the seeds, we follow a process. Okay. The process
ma'am.
is known as ginning of cotton.
Cotton.
Otherwise, we can do it by process of combing. What?
Ma'am.
Combing. Combing means you comb your hair like that. When we follow the process of combing, we can separate the cotton fibers from the seeds of cotton. Okay. The process is called as combing or ginning of cotton. You have to note down this point. Ginning. The process is known as ginning. The process in which we separate the cotton fibers from the cotton
Process is green.
Process is
from the seeds of cotton is known as ginning. Note down it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Then we see about jute. Jute fiber. Second one is jute. See, jute is derived from jute plant. Okay. I have also jute fibers. See, this is a jute fiber. Touch it. Yes. See, this whole is the fabric part, but these are the thin strands. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes,
also has
ma'am.
thin strands. Yes, these are the fibers of jute. Fibers of jute. Yes. Then jute plants are harvested during rainy season. Cotton plants are grown in warm weather and black soil, but the jute plants are harvested in only rainy season, and this is harvested only in specific areas like Assam, Bihar, West Bengal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Then see, from which process we get the jute fibers. Okay, here is the jute plant. Okay, and this is harvested in rainy season. During harvesting period, the stem, this is the stem. The stem of the jute plant is immersed in the water. This is the stem and this is the water. This is the stems. Okay, and this is water. Then when the stem starts to rot, then the fibers are separated from the stem of the jute plant
Jute plant.
by hand.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
the stem is immersed in water, and when it start rot, then we found the jute, we get the jute fiber. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. So we see so many things today. Let's revise it. First we see fiber.
Fiber.
How it is made up of? Fiber. Fabric. Okay, fabric.
Fabric.
Fabric is made up of what? The loose threads.
Thread.
These are called
Loose thread.
loose threads. Are called yarn. What? Tell. Yarn. Yes. Yarns are made up of thin strands. These are called what? Fibers.
Fibers.
Okay. Repeat it. Fibers. Then we see fibers are two types. Fibers are
Two types.
two types. One is
Natural.
yes, good, very good, natural. Second one is synthetic. Yes, good. Natural fibers are what? Silk. Then
Cotton.
wool. Yes, good. Cottons. And this one
Jute.
jute. Very good. Jute. Synthetic fibers are
Polyester.
very good. Polyester and like this.
Silk.
Okay. Not silk. Silk comes under the natural fiber because we get it from the silkworm. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then we see some plant fiber. Plant fiber. Plant fibers are one inch. The cloth you want to wear always. You prefer?
Cotton.
Yes, very good. Cotton. Then another one is this one
Jute.
jute. Plant fiber. This one jute. Okay. The process by which we get the cotton fibers are known as
Cotton.
what? Combing or ginning.
Again.
Remember it. This is combing or ginning process. Okay. And jute fibers, we can get jute fibers by immersing stem in water. Then it rot. Then we get the jute fiber. Then it rot. Then we get the jute fiber.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, I will give you homework. You have to do it in your home.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. First one is write the process by which we can get fabric. Okay. The second one is what are the types of fiber? Yes, fiber. Then write details about cotton fiber. How can we get the cotton fiber and where it is grown? You have to write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Write down all the questions and you have to do it in your home. Then details about jute fiber. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. This is all about today's class.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we end the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. You have to read it well from the book and come with the preparation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good.